Hi, I am Roxanne Joyce. I'm an assistant manager in our EDCT department, and I also am the manager of our IE Accelerator MakerSpace.
I'm Juan Zavala. I'm the 3D technician. I run the MakerSpace under Roxanne. So the way we're doing this is that using 3D printers and 3D printing technology, we found a model online called the Stratus Visor. We're using that model as our visor for the face shields. They take about 2.5 hours each to print on our machines. We have 19 machines going. In a day, I could probably do somewhere in the range from 70 to almost 90 visors a day. Then from there, all we do is attach the clear visor to the visor, and using a rubber band as a head strap, we ship those out in boxes to our local communities and healthcare providers. So far, we have shipped out somewhere in the range of 250. We hope we can ship out as many as possible while this crisis is lasting.
It was a collaborative effort. It wasn't just one person, but it was a collaborative between a whole bunch of state colleges, community colleges, who decided that we wanted to help out the healthcare industry and do whatever we can to help them. And with our equipment in the makerspaces, we were able to figure out what equipment we can use, and we started creating visors with our 3D printers that we have located in our makerspaces.
We'd also like to give a big sincere thank you to all healthcare providers, doctors, nurses, everybody working in the industries right now, taking care of us, looking after us, making sure we're safe. We hope that you guys are safe too. And so we'd like to thank you very much for being here with us.
And we also want to thank everybody who is working on our campuses at this time. We have many people who are coming and going and donating their time as well to help out. And so thank you.
Thank you.